Hello guys, ladies, welcome to another salsa class. My name is Waldo.
And I'm Jackie.
All right. Class today is gonna be side step. All right, so pretty simple, all right? I'm gonna be here, same timing with the class before. All right, I'm gonna use 8 counts for the basic step. We're gonna use 8 counts for the side step. I'm gonna go to the left with my left foot and count number 1.
And ladies, you're gonna go to the right on count number 1.
I'm gonna step in place and count number 2.
In place with your left on 2.
Then I go together and count number 3.
In place on 3.
All right. When I pause and count number 4, all right, and I'm gonna move to my right with my right foot and 5.
You're gonna move to your left on the count 5.
I'm gonna step in place with my left.
In place with your right.
Then I put it together and 7.
In place on 7.
I'm gonna pause an 8. It will start in the count number 1. 5,
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7.
8.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
Start from the other way. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8. When we do it together, same concept with the connection with your partner. I'm gonna make my spider hands.
Ladies, use your shopping cart hands.
And we do the same thing. 5,
6, 7, and 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7.
8. Right? Very important, guys. I want to create a frame with my arms so that way my partner is gonna feel the change of direction. So let's say you do your basic step first. So we go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slightly, I'm gonna move my arms this direction, that way. So she feels that when I change direction side to side, and then I will step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here I want her to come back to the basic step. So equally, I want to push with the 2 hands, gentle, right? So she feels that we want to get back to the basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8.
So the key, ladies, is to make sure that you're feeling him move his arms so you know where to go. You shouldn't just be stepping because you want to step. Wait till he leads it.
Right. But very important, guys, don't stress about much about this, all right? Focus feeling the step, because sometimes if we think 2 different things, it's a little difficult, right? But I want you to understand that you gotta lead the move so she understands the change of direction, right? So now we're gonna go slow so you can see how we go from basic step to side step.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
and 4,
5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3,
and 4,
5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3. You got it.
4,
5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3,
and 4,
5, 6,
and
7.
Right? Congratulations, guys.
Woo-hoo!
All right. So this is one more class of salsa, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.